Attorney General Madam Gloria Akuffo has called for the support and engagement of all to make the establishment of the Office of the Special Prosecutor come to fruition. Addressing a stakeholders workshop in Accra, she said the establishment of the Special Prosecutor Office would mark a bold step in the march against corruption in the country.
Corruption burdens the most vulnerable and segments of the population whose basic human rights are violated when they are forced to pay bribe to access education or employment opportunities. It also derails the efforts of government to improve the lives of the citizenry. However, its impact is more devastating on developing countries like Ghana. To fight and rid off corruption in the country, the government has made available some processes that will lead to the establishment of the Office of the Special Prosecutor. The office is expected to be an independent institution that will focus solely on dealing with corruption and judgment-debt cases. Presentations at the workshop highlighted on overseas models that could guide and inform decisions made to design the draft bill of Ghana's Office of the Special Prosecutor before it is laid before Parliament. Two legal advisors from the Office of the Special Prosecutor Queen's Counsel in the UK, Mr. Peter Beckett and Madam Caroline Lamte, led the presentation panel by recommending and elaborating on a model that requires accountability and transparency in the appointment to win public trust.
An anti-corruption policy involves not only taking people to court and dealing with them as criminals, it must have within it surely preventative measures so that people know that there is a law in place and know that they are potentially at risk.
The Attorney General, Madam Gloria Akuffo, noted that the bill will be drafted in a way to cut off political interference in the work of the prosecutor and thereby make the office truly independent.
The Office of the Special Prosecutor will have the mandate to investigate and prosecute cases of alleged corruption under the Public Procurement Act 203 Act 663 and other corruption-related offences implicating public officers, political office holders and their accomplices in the private sector, as well as trace and recover the proceeds of corruption.
When the bill for the Office of the Special Prosecutor is laid before Parliament and passed, the Office of the Special Prosecutor would start working on all cases with regards to acts of corruption. For GBC 24, Ofriwa Dakon reported.